Hello everyone, this is Krishna from Krishna Tech channel and today we will make a simple registration form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and for the server side we will use PHP. But before that, let's have a look at its demo, that how it works. Open XAMPP and start Apache and MySQL. After this, go to the drive where we have installed the XAMPP. Go to XAMPP and click on htdocs. Here, create a new folder project. Let's name it Pro1. Inside this, create index and let's name anything like test1 file having type PHP. Now open Notepad++ editor. Here open the project folder that we have created and open the files for writing code. Now open a new tab in Google Chrome and just type localhost / and the project folder name so that we can have the idea that what's going on. Now let's begin with the HTML coding. Here we'll be writing all the basic HTML format. Now inside body tag we will make a class container, and inside that we will give a heading and we will name it as registration form. Now in form tag, in action we will put test1.php, which is the name of the file that we have created and which will be used for storing the data and the method used is post. Now making a new class, we will name it as form group, and our first element will be first name and its id will be fname and name will be fname, and it is the required field. Now we will create a submit button with the button tag. Please fill out this field. A message appears here when we sign up the field without typing anything in the text box. And if you wish to change this, then we can simply write on invalid equals to this dot set custom validity, and we can type our desired message. And we also need to type on change equals try set custom validity and catch it in case if there any exception occurs. We need to assign this regex expression in pattern if we wish to set the first letter of the word to be capital. Similarly, we can make another element and change its name as last name, id as l name, and name as l name. Similarly, we can make another element of type email by simply writing input type equals email and also changing its name and id. Now for creating password, we have to change its type as password, and we have to change its name and id. We can type it anything, and the most important thing is that in password we have to set pattern. Now suppose here I have set a pattern which takes password with at least one number and one character. So for that, the given above the screen regex expression will be valid. Now in confirm password, we do not have to write the pattern here. We can simply integrate both password and confirm password through JavaScript code that we'll be doing later on in this video. Now we can simply create a date of birth element by giving its input type as date as given above the screen, and we also have to change its name and id. Now in DOB we can also set minimum and maximum year according to our wish. Upon refreshing, this form looks like this. Till now also our form is not complete. To integrate password and confirm password, we need to write JavaScript code. We write JavaScript code under script tag. Let's create a variable password equals document.getElement by id. Here we write the id of password, that is pwd, we have said earlier. Now for confirm password we use confirm password variable equals document.getElement by id. Here the id is psw-repeat that we set that time. Now we create a function and name it as validate password, and if password.value is not equals confirm password.value, then set a confirm password.custom validity and we print a message password don't match. Else confirm password dot set custom validity, what is the password that will be returned. Now these lines call the function validate password and it will just store the value in password and confirm password. All our HTML and JavaScript part has been done. Now let's check whether it works according to that or not. We have seen that everything has worked according to our requirement, but now only thing left is its data storage on clicking sign up button. Now for that let's work on PHP part. For that we'll use text1.php file that we have created. So these were the basic details of HTML part. In PHP, echo is used to display the information or print out the information, and $_post method is used to get the information that we enter in the text field. In the similar manner, we can do the same for the rest of the element. Almost 90% of our work is done. Now to make it look attractive, we'll be using CSS. Our work is nearly done. Now let's try it. So here is the full details that we entered in the form. Hope you all like this work. See you in the next video.